This is gonna blow your mind. Let's dive into the world of sour drinks that'll make you say, wow. Hey foodies, ever tried a drink that made your face scrunch up in delight? Let's kick things off with the king of sour, lemonade. But not just any lemonade. I'm talking about tangy, zesty, and utterly refreshing lemonade that's like a citrus explosion in your mouth. Next up, we've got the classic sour apple martini. Imagine biting into a crisp, sour apple, but in liquid form. It's the cocktail that keeps on giving, a tart punch. Don't forget about the timeless kombucha. This fizzy fermented tea isn't just healthy, it's a sour sip that'll give your taste buds a delightful zing. And for those who like their drinks with a berry twist, the cranberry lime spritzer is your go-to. Bursting with cranberries and a twist of lime, it's like a party in your mouth. Last but not least, the sour cherry slush. Think of it as the ultimate summer treat, icy, tangy, and oh so satisfying. So, which one are you trying first? Comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty adventures.